Check out this is 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan Express. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are manual folding third-row seat, remote power door locks, headlights off auto delay, 60-40 third-row seat, driver's seat head restrained whiplash protection, second and third row head airbags, cruise control, fuel consumption, city 17 mpg, and bucket front seats. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.